As working practices evolve post-pandemic to encompass a hybrid model, there's ever more awareness of the importance of a workplace culture which facilitates good mental health. HSBC has long recognised the benefits of mindfulness in fostering positive relationships and good practice, with a well-established programme of training for its employees.
Staff at HSBC's Global IT Hub in Sheffield take time out of the office to join a mindfulness session, led by one of their colleagues, Mary.
If it feels okay, maybe we'll take our awareness more fully onto the out-breath for a little while now.
Employees at HSBC have pioneered an in-house mindfulness programme, which has been so popular amongst staff that it's now been rolled out globally across the organisation. The programme has grown organically from the grassroots up, and it all started here in Sheffield.
I came across mindfulness in my 20s, and it was really in response to panic attacks. When I joined HSBC, I felt that it would be something that might be really useful for other colleagues to practice. And so I started to run some sessions, which went really well in Sheffield. We expanded that out, and before we knew it, we had demand across the UK.
Meanwhile, the UK Chief Information Officer had also been practising mindfulness to reduce headaches, and it was working. Along with HR, they gained support from senior management and empowered the employees to further develop it. In 2019, it became a fully fledged mindfulness programme, sponsored by the Group COO, and it's now spread throughout the entire organisation, not just in the UK, but in the bank's network all over the world.
The feedback that we're getting on this programme from our colleagues in other countries is incredible. This has been designed by our employees and it's been scaled out by our employees across the bank. It's got industry insights, so from either peer companies or specialist mindfulness companies, they've all contributed as well. And the third thing is it's supported by an app infrastructure as well to help colleagues get simple and quick access to this type of information.
Since 2017, HSBC has noticed a 30% reduction in stress levels amongst staff who have taken the mindfulness programme. So it's no surprise that it's gaining in popularity, and they're now running some 40-odd sessions a week globally. In fact, the government-sponsored all-party parliamentary group on mindfulness, which Jamie helps to run, has recognised HSBC with an Innovation Award.
Crucially, they focus on high-quality, evidence-based mindfulness training. And the other interesting thing they've done here is develop a kind of community or ecosystem approach, which means that champions of mindfulness, those who have really felt the benefit in their own lives, are empowered and trained up to share it with others in the organisation.
Kate initially started practising after a period of time off work due to stress.
Fortunately for me, there was someone in our building at work that started offering mindfulness sessions at lunchtime. It really helped me to manage my stress, started sleeping better, and I really wanted to share that. The Champions programme started with about 30 of us on a training programme, and then from then we started delivering workshops and sessions to people. We've kind of now deliver the training out globally to people in different countries, in different languages. We now have about 120 champions that are trained.
Mindfulness can really change the way that our brains operate. So we have something called neuroplasticity, and neuroplasticity really talks to how our brains are able to change through our lives on a daily basis. And when you do sustained, repeated mindfulness, that's exactly what it does. It changes your brain. So it's not just that you feel better, it's that your brain has changed, so the way that you think about things is different.
HSBC's high standards for the quality of the mindfulness teaching that they give their staff is setting a precedent. They are the first organisation to apply for accreditation from the British Association of Mindfulness-Based Approaches.
Applying for accreditation means that they're very open, they want people to come and see what they're doing and to judge it by its own merits, and they're proud, they want to show the world.
We get testimonials back that just say what a huge difference this has made to somebody's day, to somebody's literal moment, and to somebody's working life, home life, and the ripple effect into their worlds as well. It's a wonderful thing to see.